Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, your trusted source for halal food reviews and guidance. Today's review is about Jones Halal Fried Chicken, a restaurant that has gained popularity for its fried chicken and fast food options. The key question is it truly halal? Jones Halal. Fried chicken is known for fried chicken pieces, wings, sandwiches, rice platters, and sides like fries and coleslaw. Their menu offers both traditional halal cart-style dishes and popular fast food items, making it a favorite for many Muslim customers. Now let's discuss the halal status. The restaurant openly markets itself as halal, and most branches claim to use halal-certified meat. Many locations are Muslim-owned, which gives additional assurance about halal practices. Community feedback and reviews generally confirm that Jones Halal Fried Chicken maintains halal standards. However, a word of caution. Not all branches may display clear halal certification, and practices can vary from location to location. It's always recommended to ask the staff about their meat suppliers and check for certification before eating. As Muslims, verification is our responsibility. So the verdict: Jones Halal Fried Chicken is generally halal, but always confirm at your local branch before ordering. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you visited Jones Halal Fried Chicken? Did you check their halal certification? And what's your favorite menu item? Share your thoughts in the comments so the community can benefit. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more authentic halal reviews every week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.